Alright, so what we have a 22.5 horse John Deere V-twin with a Kohler command engine. It's in rough shape. Over here, we have weedeater 13.5 horse, which we got with about 3 other mowers. You can see the junk lawn chief in the back. Now, the weedeater has a couple problems with it. For one, ignore the jumper cables. There's no ignition in it. See, the ignition's gone. 2, well, the seat's falling apart, but there's no battery in it. Okay, so now our main problem, we are going to start it. So we have jumper cables hooked up to our Craftsman over here. Come over here, fire it up. Alright, now, if you'll listen, you'll notice, as I said, there is no ignition or battery on the weedeater. And we're going to start it. Pull up the throttle. And I'm shutting the Craftsman off. And it's still running. Jumper cables are unhooked. Take them off the Craftsman. It's still running with no ignition and no battery. How do we figure this out?